Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. And in this video tutorial, we are going to cover how to create a new Google Doc directly from your address bar and not Google Drive. So let's get started. Thanks for joining me, ladies and gentlemen. If you are new here or do not know who I am, my name is Gabriel Carrillo, host and creator of the EdTech Bytes podcast, as well as this YouTube channel that you are checking out here. And like I said in the video description, we are going to go ahead and get started on showing you how to create Google Docs directly from your address bar and not Google Drive. So first things first, I have my Google Chrome open. This does work in multiple browsers like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and others like that. I just happen to prefer Google Chrome, so I've got my Google Chrome open. And the first thing that I'm going to do is obviously make sure that I'm on the internet and connected, make sure I'm in the right account. And I'm not going to normally go to my Google Drive by clicking on the apps and that. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and type in for a new Google Doc, doc.new, and hit enter. And as you can see, it opened up a brand new Google Doc for me, but there's more. What if I wanted to create a new Google Sheet? Let's go ahead and open up a new tab, type in sheet.new and hit enter. And just like before, we now have a new Google Sheet directly in our account. Let's open up a new tab because there's more to it, ladies and gentlemen. This time we're going to type in slide.new because I want to create a new Google slide deck. Boom, hit enter, done. Just like that. I didn't even have to open up my Google Drive. Let's go to the next tab. Let's go ahead and type in form.new. That's right, you can even create a new Google form on the fly. Boom, just like that, and there it is. And there's more for you Google Sites users. What about a new Google site? Type in site.new and hit enter. Voila, you have just created a new Google site without even having to go to your Google Drive or your site.google.com. There's multiple iterations for these shortcuts, and as you can see on the side here, these are all the iterations for Google Docs. And there's also multiple iterations for Google Slides, as you can see here. Same thing goes for Google Sheets. Also Google Forms. And lastly, Google Sites. So that does it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for checking this video out. If you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so because I've got more great content, both educational, technology, and food on deck. And make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time a new video is published. And if you're not already subscribed to the podcast, make sure you do that. edtechbytes.com is the website. You can check out the podcast there on all or multiple podcast platforms. And once again, my name is Gabriel Carrillo. Catch you guys on the next video and stay safe. Buen provecho.